Hey, what's up guys? Justin with Tier 1 Tactical. Today I want to take a look at a knife I've had roughly around 6 months or so. The thing is, when I first got this knife, I absolutely loved it. It felt great in the hands, the action was amazing, but the handle really left a lot to be desired. The thing is, with regular titanium, is you got to have some sort of contrast or milling in it, or else it's probably going to look plain. Some knives look really good regular titanium, like for instance the Asher Knives Silva. This knife right here is absolutely beautiful. I mean, look at the name, like Silva. I mean, you know. Sorry, it's got a few fingerprints on it right now, but this knife is absolutely beautiful. It's exactly what it needs to be. I honestly would not even dare to even try to anodize this thing because I absolutely love it just the way it is. Such a beautiful knife. But that really wasn't the case with this one. So I basically reached out to Stasa23, and chances are if you follow my channel, you probably already know about him. But if you don't, like literally stop my video right now, go over there, subscribe to his channel. He does knife reviews, mod work, great channel. Great dude as well. Well, needless to say, I sent mine off for a little bit of mod work and it just came back. So without further ado, this is my new Ferrum Forged Falcon. As you can see, the ano work on this thing is absolutely beautiful. Now, I'm going to go ahead right now and apologize that I do not have the proper lighting nor camera to show this guy off. It is literally like a mirror, so every little bit of background light will cause a glare. So I'm basically in my bedroom right now with the mat here on the bed using natural light. So bear with me, and I'll try to show this thing off the best I can. But as you can see, I mean, it's flawless. He actually nailed the look I really wanted just perfectly. I couldn't be happier. And of course, like all Ferrum forged knives, the action is perfect. I wouldn't expect it to come back not perfect, not from him anyway. But the thing is, I mean, that just really looks good together. This literally is one of the perfect knives to do this to. The handle just, like I said, really left a lot to be desired. But the thing is, I really wanted to have a little more contrast to it than this. Now, I wanted to do the backspacer and the clip in like a solid purple or a solid blue. Something that will just kind of change up the pattern when looking at it. Well, he was like, I do this bronze now and it looks really good. So, naturally I was perfectly fine with that. And I gotta say, I'm completely blown away with how well that part come out too. As you can see, the bronze is literally like the perfect contrast in between the two scales of blue. I mean, that's just unbelievably beautiful. And you can see there's a little bit of the blue and purple right here on the clip. So when that sticks out your pocket, kind of let people know, hey, I got something special there. But no, he absolutely nailed it. I mean, every bit of this thing is absolutely perfect all the way around. Again, I'm sorry I do not have the best camera or light to show this off, but I'm trying my best here. Yeah, you can see it just literally picks up everything like a mirror. But anyway, one thing I did like about this Ferrum Forged Falcon was the use of the choil in the design. Basically, it forces you to use the choil, which I absolutely love in a knife. It has this little ramp right here on the spine that is literally perfect for your thumb, and it holds your whole thumb, so it's really comfortable. Another knife that has always been a favorite of mine is the Kershaw Ram. The action on this guy is still amazing. It's a G&G Hawk design. I've had it for Man, 12 years now. I've taken this thing to work so many times. I've pried on stuff. I've literally peeled up nails out the floor with it and staples and just all kind of crazy stuff. But the action on this guy is still amazing. The thing about it though is it forces you to use the choil. And I absolutely love this knife for that. It does not feel like it's going anywhere. And it allows you that little forward lean to where you don't really have to do any kind of crazy wrist motions to be able to slice something. It just really goes a long way with me, especially like on the pair of three. Pair of three, you know. Of course, you can use it back here, but that just really feels ridiculous when you hold this knife, because that's really, you know, that really feels right. Now, that might be just me, you know, in my size of hands, but that's just what feels comfortable. And on this blade, I literally have no complaints about the way that this feels in the hands. This thing is just awesome. And now that it's this beautiful again, I will definitely be getting some more pocket time with this guy. He definitely added a little extra life to a knife that was probably going to be sold here eventually. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like, share, subscribe. Check me out on Instagram if you haven't already. Stay safe. See you guys on the next one.